next part, for the next 10 minutes, I will ask our colleagues who are running different regional and international events within the ISAM framework in different countries to present what is happening in different parts of the world in terms of the upcoming meetings, and we'll move forward to the next presentations. Fatima from Morocco.
Thank you, Hamad. Good morning, good afternoon to everybody, and Ramadan Kareem for people who are doing Ramadan.
I can give you an idea about what Fatima is going to present. So Fatima was going to give you a sort of a presentation about what is going to happen in Marrakesh in November. So those who are interested to join us.
Yes,
Fatima.
Hamad, I'm sorry. I think that's a connection problem.
Now we can hear you.
Yeah. So I'm pleased to talk about ISAM Marrakesh 2023, and the Moroccan Society of Addictology is very delighted to hold this very important event. Time is running very fast, and we are ready now. Everything is prepared to receive you in Marrakesh. So the Congress will be between the 2nd and 4th of November, and we are expecting more than 400 participants. So we have a website, and everything is there concerning the abstract submission. We extended to 13th of April to give people more opportunity to submit their poster. The early bird registration is also opened, and we are also offering a very important scientific program, including keynote speakers. We have very nice keynote speakers like Nora Volkov, like Nadi, like some local keynote speakers like Mehdi Payet, Jalal Tawfiq, Louisa Degenhardt, Nestor Zerman, and also Vladimir from WHO, Gabriela Fischer, Sophia Shab, Melody Hits, Hamad Al-Ghafri, and we also are doing translation. We have also some keynote speaker who will be talking in French, and we provide translation to French and also to Spanish. We are just waiting to have an idea about which country will be coming to Marrakesh, and we do our best to give you a very nice scientific program and also very nice and attractive social program that will offer you the opportunity to visit the city, to have an idea about the Moroccan culture, and to know about Morocco, and to visit the beautiful city of Marrakesh. So we are very excited to have you soon in Marrakesh. And if you need any information, you have just to go through our website. And I hope that you also share this information through your network and through your society.
Thank you very much, Fatima. Thank you very much for hosting us in Marrakesh. Hopefully we'll have lots of good kind of activities in Marrakesh. And I'm not sure if Alessandra is with us today, but we will have the second basically regional meeting in South America in September 3 to September 6 with Brazilian Society for Addiction Medicine. So that is going to be another regional event that we are organizing in South America. The first one was in Argentina. Now this one is in Brazil. So that is another activity that we are doing in the global level. And then we also have the second Asian regional meeting. And I think Seung-Yup is with us today. Seung-Yup, are you with us now?
Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening to everyone. I appreciate Alex, Greg, Hamad for allowing us to present. I'm going to give a short introduction of the coming meeting on the second Asian regional meeting. So as you all know, in addition to the traditional substance addiction, the behavioral addiction is emerging in the ICD-11. It's also integrated into the diagnostic system. So we have our ICBA conference, and during that we have a second Asian region meeting. And thanks for the ISAM for designating, and to appreciate that we will host a pre-opening social event for each ISAM affiliated societies that have been notified to us directly to KAP or through the ISAM. So the early bird abstract is closed, but the normal registration continues to the 22nd. So please, if you're interested, please visit, and we're gonna have a more in-depth interactions on behavior addiction. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next meeting is going to happen in Lebanon, and Yasser is with us right now. Yasser is also one of the ISAM board of directors member. Yasser, are you with us right now?
Yes, thank you very much. I'm very happy to be with you and with so many colleagues from around the world, and very exciting to be all together. So I would like to thank you and thank Alex and Hamad and Greg for their introducing words. What I can say about the ISAM is going to organize its first Francophone meeting. It will be in Lebanon, Beirut, on June 23 this year. And this meeting is linked to the commitment of ISAM to inclusion, diversity, and partnership. And ISAM is choosing Lebanon to be at the heart of the challenges posed by traumatic environment. And we have in this meeting international partners from the Francophony and other part of ISAM and the world. And we are welcoming this meeting with the help also of the Faculty of Medicine of the St. Joseph University in Beirut, and Sami Risha and Ramzi Haddad from Lebanon. And we are on the website of the ISAM, you have the possibility to submit your abstract, which is still open till May 15, and you can have all the information about this first meeting and challenging one in a challenging environment in Beirut, and hope to see you there. The meeting is also hybrid, allowing participation from different parts of the world on site and from other places.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Yasser. And we are also looking forward to have regional meetings in other parts of the world. So those who are interested to run regional meetings in their country will definitely be happy to support them. We are also looking forward to have ISAM meetings in other languages. As you can see here, we are looking forward to have for those who are Francophonic, those who are Spanish speaking, Chinese speaking. So we are looking forward to see how we can have more diversity, as Yasser mentioned, within the ISAM community.